Hi, I'm Vince. And this is a sausage bun. Hold on, it's delicious. Today's recipe is adapted from walks of life, and you're going to need some basic equipment. A sheet pan, parchment, a mixing bowl, and a frying pan. A scale and brush can help too. As for ingredients, flour, sugar, yeast, salt, an egg, and some cream. Don't forget the hot dogs. We'll start off by measuring out 205 grams of half and half or table cream. Then add 38 grams of sugar and 285 grams of all-purpose flour, 6 grams of active yeast, and 3 grams of salt. Next, crack your egg and whisk it, whether it be medium or large. We're going to need 25 grams, or roughly half of one egg. Save the rest for later. Now it's off to be kneaded. I'm going to use a bread machine, but feel free to hand knead it too. By machine, it'll take 15 minutes, and by hand, roughly 20. You're looking for a nice, smooth texture indicative of a gorgeous gluten structure underneath. I'm transferring it to a bowl to proof, to roughly 1.5 times the size. While that's happening, let's prep our hot dogs. Heat up your frying pan and give them an all-round gorgeous sear. Don't burn them though. Pre-cooking hot dogs gives them that wonderful flavor at the end. After an hour, look at that. It's poofed up and it's so gorgeous. Caress your dough out of the bowl and punch out the air bubbles. This recipe makes 12 buns, so I recommend weighing the dough for 12 equal portions. This next step is where the magic happens, wrapping the hot dogs. Roll each dough portion into a long string and gently coil it around the dog. Don't stretch the dough though. If it's too long, you can cut the end off. Too short, uncoil, roll it out thinner and longer, and rewrap. Arrange them onto a parchment and start your engines to 375. The buns will proof again for another hour. Look how big they're growing. In the meantime, mix an equal part of water and your leftover half an egg to make egg wash, and use a brush or spoon to apply an even coating. We're in the final stretch. Bake them at 375 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes, and then drop the temperature down to 350 for 10 to 15 more, or until they're brown to your liking. Enjoy your buns warm straight from the oven. Once put out, they disappear fast.